Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. Today I decided to give you guys a nice and easy dessert. We are making some delicious banana pudding, y'all. Now there are tons and tons of recipes out there, including making that custard from scratch. However, we're going to keep it simple today, y'all. There's nothing wrong with it. We're going to use the Jell-O pudding mix, you guys. Now, before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's whip it up. Alright, you guys, so to get started, these are the ingredients we're going to be using. So I have 2 boxes of the vanilla Jell-O pudding mix. You can also use the banana cream flavor if you like. We're also going to use a can of sweetened condensed milk, whole milk. Also going to use some Nilla wafers, or you can use the Chessmen cookies if you want these right here. Some bananas, of course. And then we're going to make our own whipped cream. So we're going to use a quart of heavy whipping cream, some powdered sugar, and some vanilla extract. I didn't show the vanilla extract right then, but you'll see it later on in the clip. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add my pudding mix into my bowl, and then I'm going to add in my milk. According to the box instructions, it tells you to add in 2 cups of milk per box, right? So that would mean 4 cups of milk total. I'm only going to do 3 because we're using the sweetened condensed milk as well. And we don't want that pudding to be, too loose or too watery, right? Then I'm going to use my whisk, or you can use a hand mixer, and you're going to beat it for about 2 minutes on medium speed if you're using your mixer. Alright, you guys, so after vigorously whisking my pudding, it is perfect. So I'm just going to cover it and refrigerate it until I'm ready to use it. It'll actually be set within 5 minutes, y'all. That's the beauty of using this Jell-O pudding mix, okay? So in the meantime, we're going to work on our whipped cream. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to add in my full quart of heavy whipping cream. Now you can use a pint if you don't want a whole lot of it, okay? Because it makes a lot. So I'm going to add in my whipping cream, and then I'm going to add in about a half a cup to a cup of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I'm going to set my mixer speed on a low speed because you don't want to turn it on full speed. It's going to splash everywhere, okay? So start it on a low speed and then slowly increase it into a high speed, and we're going to beat it until it forms stiff peaks. Alright, you guys, so it's perfect. It's nice and stiff how I want it. So now I'm going to taste it to make sure it's sweet, y'all. It wasn't that sweet, so I just added a tad bit more of powdered sugar. Now once you get it sweet how you want it, I'm just going to cover it and refrigerate it until we're ready to assemble. Okay guys, so as you can see, I removed that pudding and the whipped cream out of the fridge, and as you can see, that pudding has set, y'all. It's super thick. I'm just going to loosen it up a bit by adding about a cup or 2 of the whipped cream to it. I'm going to gently fold it in until it's nice and smooth. Alright, you guys, so now I'm ready to assemble. So I'm going to start by adding a nice thin layer of this pudding right into the bottom of my baking dish. This is just to prevent the cookies from sliding, okay? So I'm just going to add a nice thin layer, just nice and evenly spread out. Then I'm going to add on some cookies and then some sliced bananas. As you can see, I waited until the very last minute to slice my bananas just so they will not brown. Alright you guys, so now that I got the base together, I'm ready to layer this thing, okay? So you can do it however you want to do it. You'll see how I did it was, I did like pudding, then cookies and bananas, whipped cream, cookies and bananas, more pudding, more cookies and bananas, and did it like that. So I wanted whipped cream in between each of my layers along with the pudding, okay? So you can do it however you want to. A lot of you may just decide to just top it off with whipped cream and do it like that. But it's your kitchen, you do it however you want to do it, guys. Alright you guys, we are done. So I just topped it off with whipped cream, of course, and just adding a little cookie to each corner. Topped it off with some crushed cookies, of course, and then I put a big mountain of whipped cream, y'all, in the center, and then I just drizzled on a little of the pudding also. Y'all know I'm extra. Now if I had it my way, I would have drizzled on some caramel too, but I had to be fair, it won't just for me. But look how it looks when I spooned into it, y'all. Oh my god, look at those layers, y'all. It was so good. You guys have to try it. Either way, however you decide to layer it, you guys, it's really, really good. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, y'all. Ring that bell so you will be notified as soon as I post a new video. Make sure you guys hit all, okay? Now, comment down below what you think of this recipe. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next one.